Smartdraw tutorial, how to use Smartdraw for beginners. Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Smartdraw. Smartdraw will allow you to create a collaborative space and unify all of your work in a visual collaboration app. SmartDraw is considered a solution for all types of businesses and enterprises. SmartDraw is going to help you in planning, executing, and reviewing your work as a team. And they have different types of products and solutions available. So you have things such as product management, infotech, software engineering, and sales, all that you can manage on SmartDraw. So to get started, simply click on Launch App over here to get started with the SmartDraw application. Now, the best part about using Smartdraw is that if you are a single user, you can get started with $9.95. And if you are going to be multiple users, so if you are working in a team, then you can get started at only $8.25. This is going to be amazing considering you also have multi-seat administrative tools included. Now, once you go ahead and launch the SmartDraw application, even without signing up, you can continue on to their dashboards. You can choose to purchase a plan on SmartDraw, or you can proceed with some of their visual tools without purchasing. Now, you will see on the left you have a section for Home, then you have a section for Documents, and you can go on ahead and proceed with account creation over here. So you can use your account by your email address, or you can use Google to sign in. Click on Continue. Now over here on the top left, if you click on Add Storage, this will allow you to connect a storage system. This could be your Microsoft, SharePoint, OneDrive, Google Drive, Dropbox, Box, or Ignite. You also have different integrations available. These include applications, visualizers, and storage solutions. You can also click on Import to import your data from any pre-existing database. You can also go ahead and view your favorites and then click on a new document to start building your new document on SmartDraw. Now, to start building documents, all you have to do is choose the type of documents you want to create. You can choose to get started with a blank template as well, but blank templates can be a bit difficult to set up, so I personally would say that you should opt for a pre-existing template. So let's say I want to do my project planning over here. I can click on project planning and I can pick out a template that would be suitable for project management. I can click on open example over here to open the example template and then customize the template to my personal liking. So we're going to load up our template over here. And once we have loaded up our template, this is what it looks like. So first off, we have concept of operations, then it goes into high level design, then it also is detailed design. So let's say this goes into high level design like this. And then let's say that our detailed design is also going to be impacting another task like so, and I can input more information. Now, obviously, this is a tool that can be customized. So if you want, you can go on ahead and customize these blocks to your personal liking. You can also go ahead and save it as it is and start with another template for a different product solution. This includes things like organizational charts, brainstorming and ideas, engineering, flowcharts, and much more. Let's say I want to create meetings and workshops, so I will use that template and I can go on ahead and open that particular template up. So let's say I want to start with a meeting reflection, meeting notes, daily stand up, team charter, sprint meeting notes, project end meeting, or project kickoff meeting. Then we also have this management team schedule meeting. I'm going to open that up and you can actually combine different templates and you can combine the elements of different templates into one document to make it your hierarchy document that can help you in dictating your business. Now, you guys can see that what did you do yesterday? What will you work on today? Do you have any obstacles that can input information, or even the team members could input information accordingly to themselves? So let's say we have Timmy, and then let's say instead of it just being one block, if I want to add more info or duplicate this, I can just do a multi-select and then paste that over here, and all of the items would be pasted. Now, to make this easier, I am going to zoom in a little. And firstly, I'm going to remove the corner blocks like this. So you can do either a cell select over here, and once you do a cell select, you can delete the column. So I'm going to again select this and delete the column like so. Once done, if I want, I can proceed with a different color code for each individual. Now, I want to actually add a task list on the right. So to do that, I can go on ahead and get started with adding some shapes. We're going to click on this briefcase icon on the left and then click on shape. Once I do that, I am going to create a square shape over here like this. And then once I do that, I'm just going to expand it over here like this. And I want to just build a running inventory of tasks that need to be done by any member of the schedule. Now, once I've added my shape, I can go on ahead and start customization. So I can click on the fill by doing a right click, and then I can select my color. Then I can select text over here and start inputting certain text elements. So this is by default, the shape is going to have text at the center. Now I can build my task list in the form of individual sticky notes, or I can create this hierarching shape or hierarching outline. But I'm just going to use this way over here. And I'm just going to add my task. So let's say this is going to be our kitchen cleanup. And the font size is really small on this, so I can go on ahead and select that as well, like this. And once we do that, we can go ahead and go into our design. And I'm just going to zoom in a little, then go into select, and we can proceed over here. We're going to click on our grow properties, and I want it to grow proportionally like this. And then after that, I can also go ahead and go into our home section. And I'll click on the text over here. And then I'll customize the sizings like so, as well as the color of our text like so. I'll just select a darker color like so. And now I can copy and paste these blocks and start creating a task list as well. And in this way, you can also get started with Smart Task for only $9 a month. It's honestly a pretty great deal if you're someone that likes to work visually and are looking for an all-inclusive platform. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.